badass.
Was it?
Got a little sideways.
Got the push on and off e-brake down here. Charlie got his little battery tray made for the Wago. So, got a little strap right here to hold it on. And here's the little tray he made, just welded it out of angle iron. And this plate right here, and then underneath, those are just like little pieces of tubing. Kind of hard to see, but just welded those to the car. They just cut out some notches in the carpet to slide past those. Yeah, it works pretty good. Battery's not going anywhere. That's all that matters right now. Fits nice in there. Gonna take Charlie's Wago out for a spin. Got a little dark out, but we just got done messing with some bullshit with the spark plugs and it not wanting to run, but it seems to be okay now. It's idling pretty rough again, but it sounds like it's cammed.
I don't know if I messed with the tune. I know I messed with the tune. Could just be that it's not warmed up.
Got her warmed up.
It's kind of cutting out. Did you hear that?
Yeah. And that squeaking noise is still annoying.
It cuts out. I was like half throttle on that one.
2 in the morning. About to make some boost for the first time. Oh! Made 1 pound. Oh, made the ball valve flutter. I wouldn't do it too much though, until we get an air fuel gauge.
Nothing more than like a couple pounds.
Yeah, don't need to blow this bitch up. Well, it officially makes boost now.
Yeah.
Now it just needs the fucking wideband so we can go tune it. Maybe we can find some GTRs to kill tonight. Out cruising at 2 in the morning. Fucking, wait, you said that was the instrument cluster? The squeaking?
Don't worry about that.
It's fucking like something's dying in there.
I used to do it only when it was cold, but now it does it all the time.
Taking the wagon to the car wash. Got it driving around.
Slammed life. Stock springs. It's a little loose feeling. Hey, there's our neighbor.
What up?
High pressure rinse or high pressure wash?
Got the Wago all washed off. Shit. Nice and clean.
The first
Kinda.
time I've washed it since I bought it. Like
So at least, yeah. Charlie just got the bumper put on his Wago. It's completely sleeper now. Made 1 pound. Oh, made the ball valve flutter. Just finishing up a video of Charlie's Wago. These are clips from the other night. We just got his making boost. So we'll have this quick little video up pretty soon. And right now I'm filming this just to let you guys know that we might have another video coming up tonight because we're getting ready to take the wagon out. Not going to take the hatch.
Because fucking idiot Mitch wants to do race car stuff.
Wants to come with us and hang out. So Hatch doesn't have enough seats for him, so we have to take Wago. So if we lose, we can blame him. But yeah, we're getting ready to go out to a meet in Wago, so stay tuned for that video tonight as well. Might have another video coming up tonight because we're getting ready to take the wagon out. Not gonna take the Hatch.
Yeah, this fucking idiot Mitch wants to do race car stuff.
Wants to come with us and hang out. So Hatch doesn't have enough seats for him, so we have to take Wago.
Thanks.
So if we lose, you can blame him.
Oh, thanks.
But yeah, we're getting ready to go out to a meet in Wago, so stay tuned for that video tonight as well.
Thanks, Mike.
Approved?
Yeah, I don't care.